Did you know that you can actually use Gemini, which comes pre-installed in every Android phone, to accomplish several tasks on your phone? You can use it to set reminders, create notes, make calls, send WhatsApp messages, or even start music on Spotify. If you're using a Samsung phone, you can also connect it with Samsung apps like Samsung Reminders and Samsung Calendars, which is great. But first, you need to give Gemini the permission to work with these apps. And here is how you can do it. So first you need to go in the Gemini app, then tap on this icon here. Then look for connected apps. Go in connected apps, and here you will find the list of all the apps that you can give permission for Gemini to connect to and accomplish tasks in those apps. So the first one is Google Workspace. If you turn it on, your Gemini will be able to work with your Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Drive, Keep, and Google Tasks. If you use Google Home, you can give it permission to work with Google Home, and then you can just ask Gemini to turn on or off lights and control other smart appliances connected to Google Home. You can connect it to YouTube Music. Then if you're using a Samsung phone, you can give it permission to work with Samsung apps like Samsung Calendar, Samsung Notes, Samsung Reminders. And here are some examples how you can use it. You can just type these things in and it will just carry out these tasks in the Samsung apps. Then there are some other tasks that you can accomplish. So you can send messages, make phone calls, send WhatsApp messages. There are utilities that allow you to open apps, take a selfie, set timers, alarms, and all this other stuff. So you can say things like set a 30-minute timer for the bread and a 1-hour timer for the roast. You can launch music on Spotify. Then there is OpenStax, which I don't know what that is, and there is Synth ID. So if you're unable to use Gemini with these apps, make sure that you have these turned on. Once you give Gemini the permission to work with these apps, it works flawlessly. Now, once you've done that, you can just use Gemini with voice, or you can just type in here. So if you come in here and tap on this add button, it shows you all the apps that it will work with. You can select from here, or you can just start typing. So if I type reminders, it will bring up Samsung Reminders. If I type Keep, it will bring up Google Keep. So similarly, if I type Calendar, it will bring up both Samsung and Google Calendar, given that you have allowed Gemini to work with both of them. Or you can also just use the voice. Remind me to do grocery on Sunday. So the last app that I used for reminders was Google Tasks. So it has created this reminder in Google Tasks, but you can specify what you want to do. Remind me to do grocery on every Sunday in Samsung Reminders. And there you go, it will create the same reminder in Samsung Reminders. And from there on, whenever I'll ask it to create a reminder, it will do that in Samsung Reminders. So you have to specify which app you want Gemini to carry out this function, especially if you're using both Samsung apps and Google apps. So that's how you can use Gemini and boost your productivity using your phone. I hope this was useful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.